cannot stop hiccuping. Since I'm watching myself on camera, oh, I would also like to make note of the fact that exactly, but also not at the age of 15, but at the age of 27 and a half. I've developed not only hiccups, but adult acne. That's not pretty. I don't know how I feel about expressing my adult hiccups and adult acne on the internet. It's mainly here. And a little bit here. Yep. It's there too. Let's not worry about that, because my main problem is the fact that for the last hour and a half, I cannot stop hiccuping. Bijou has something to say about this. Bijou? Your thoughts on hiccuping? The Bijou cure seems to be to lick the elbow. I'm wondering how long I can hiccup on camera before it gets annoying to others. This is my dog Daisy, by the way. I don't know if you've met her. Daisy. Bijou. Hiccups. This is the longest unnecessary video ever. My dog is pathetic. See that? It's there. All kinds of nasty forehead crap. I feel like I should have escaped the perils of teenage acne a long time ago. Mainly, I'm upset that I keep hiccuping. I feel like 5 minutes is long enough for this.